Hello, today you are looking at a Clarke Vision 26 36-volt walk-behind floor scrubber brought to you by Surplus Industrial Supply. This unit boasts a 25-gallon solution tank and a 30-gallon recovery tank, two 14-inch scrubbing brushes powered by a 3/4 horsepower motor, 1 horsepower vacuum motor, serviced batteries, and 2,605 hours of operation. This unit also comes with a Lestronic 2 36-volt 25-amp battery charger. The top forward speed is 220 feet per minute, making it capable of cleaning 29,000 square feet an hour and can operate on up to a 5-degree incline. The manual also contains an exploded view of how it is put together, along with every part number the unit is comprised of. If you have any interest in this or any other items available at Surplus Industrial Supply, please give us a call at 616-451-4100 or toll free at 1-888-451-9877 or visit us online at surplusindustrialsupply.com. Thank you and have a nice day.